Hello, my name is Tyler, and today we're doing another maintenance video on the Roland VG2. We'll be replacing the wiper blades and the tray pad. You should do this if you experience any spots in your print or if the printer prompts you to do so. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. To do this, we're going to go into menu, down to sub-menu, to maintenance, replace wipers. After we open the front cover for the wiper, all you have to do is grab a hold of it and pull it out. We recommend using tweezers for this. Once you get a new wiper blade, you just want to make sure that the holes are facing down, and you're just going to slide it into the slot provided here. Make sure it's pushed down on each side, and then it should be all set. Next, we're going to move on to replacing the tray pad, which is the piece that is right here. So all we're going to do is pull these out. The nice part is that there is multiples in here, so basically all we're going to do is pull these out and rotate them into one that is clean. So the second one here is perfectly clean. The third one will show you that we've already done this rotation once, as that one is also dirty. And from here, all we're going to do is reverse the order that we put them in. So we can drop in the first one, the second one here, and then make sure that the clean one is the last one to go in and it sits on top, and then we should be good to go from there. After that, you're just going to close the right panel, press enter on here, and you'll be all done replacing the wiper blade and the tray pad. If you like this video, check out some of our other videos and subscribe for other helpful tips and tricks. Let us know in the comment below what you'd like to see next, and if you liked any equipment here or anything in the background here, you can check it out at wensco.com. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.